You are watching ARP Agri Artist. Do you want your home to look beautiful and feel fresh at the same time? In today's video, I will show you 20 unique indoor plants that not only decorate your home, but also help improve air quality naturally. These plants are easy to grow, low maintenance, and perfect for any home. So let's get started. Snake plant Sansevieria trifasciata. The snake plant is one of the most popular indoor plants in the world. It has tall, upright leaves with a modern and stylish look. This plant is perfect for bedrooms and living rooms. One of its best features is that it releases oxygen at night. It also helps remove harmful toxins from the air. The snake plant is very easy to care for. It can survive in low light and needs watering only every 2 to 3 weeks. It is perfect for beginners and busy people. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is a beautiful and easy-to-grow indoor plant. It has long green leaves with white stripes, giving it a fresh look. This plant helps clean indoor air and remove harmful substances. It also produces baby plants that can be easily grown into new plants. It grows well in indirect light and needs light watering. Peace lily Spathiphyllum vallisi. The peace lily is known for its white flowers and elegant look. It helps remove toxins from the air and improves indoor air quality. This plant grows well in low light and needs regular watering. It also increases humidity, making your home more comfortable. Areca palm Dipsis lutescens. The areca palm is a beautiful indoor plant with soft, feathery green leaves that create a fresh and tropical look. It is well known for its ability to naturally improve air quality and increase indoor humidity. This plant helps make the environment more comfortable, especially in dry conditions. Areca palm grows best in bright, indirect light and needs regular but moderate watering. It is perfect for decorating living rooms, corners, or office spaces. Overall, it is a stylish and refreshing plant that adds both beauty and health benefits to your home. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe vera is a well-known medicinal plant. Its leaves contain gel used for skincare and healing. It also helps improve air quality. This plant needs bright light and very little water. Rubber plant Ficus elastica. The rubber plant has large, shiny leaves that look very attractive. It helps remove toxins from the air. This plant grows well in bright indoor light and needs moderate watering. It adds a bold and modern look to your home. Boston fern Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston fern is a classic indoor plant with soft green leaves. It helps increase humidity and remove air pollutants. This plant prefers indirect light and moist soil. It creates a fresh and natural feeling indoors. English ivy Hedera helix. English ivy is a climbing plant that looks beautiful in hanging pots. It helps reduce mold and allergens in the air. This plant grows well in cool indoor conditions with indirect light. Bamboo palm Chamaidorea seifritzi. The bamboo palm is a graceful indoor plant with soft, slender green leaves that create a calm and tropical feel. It is well known for its ability to filter indoor air and remove harmful toxins. This plant grows well in low to medium light, making it perfect for indoor spaces. It needs regular watering but prefers well-drained soil. Overall, it is a low-maintenance and elegant plant that enhances both beauty and air quality in your home. Zager plant Zamioculca zamifolia. The ZZ plant is a very strong and low-maintenance plant. It has shiny green leaves and looks very stylish. It can survive in low light and needs very little water. Perfect for beginners. Chinese evergreen Aglaonema commutatum. This plant is known for its colorful patterned leaves. It helps clean indoor air and is very easy to grow. It grows well in low light and needs little care. Dracaena marginata. The Dracaena plant is a stylish indoor plant known for its long, narrow leaves with red or purple edges. It adds a modern and elegant touch to any home or office space. This plant is also effective in removing harmful toxins from indoor air. Dracaena grows best in bright, indirect light and needs light watering. Overall, it is a low-maintenance and decorative plant perfect for indoor environments. Pothos, money plant, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is one of the easiest indoor plants. It grows fast and helps clean indoor air. It can grow in water or soil and needs very little care. Anthurium andreanum. Anthurium is known for its bright red flowers. It helps improve air quality and adds color to your home. It prefers bright indirect light and moderate watering. Parlor palm Chamaedorea elegans. Parlor palm is a small and elegant indoor plant. It helps purify air and grows well indoors. It needs low light and light watering. Gerbera daisy, Gerbera jamisoni. Gerbera daisy is a colorful flowering plant. It helps increase oxygen levels indoors. It needs bright light and regular care. Calathea, Calathea orbifolia. Calathea is a beautiful indoor plant known for its large, patterned leaves with unique designs. It helps maintain indoor humidity and keeps the air feeling fresh. This plant grows best in indirect light with slightly moist soil. It is perfect for adding beauty and a refreshing feel to your home. Philodendron heteroecium. Philodendron is a popular indoor vine. It is easy to grow and helps clean indoor air. It grows well in low light and needs minimal care. Fiddle leaf fig Ficus lyrata. This plant has large, bold leaves and looks very modern. It helps improve air quality. It needs bright light and careful watering. Lavender Lavandula angustifolia. Lavender is known for its relaxing fragrance. It freshens the air and reduces stress. It needs bright sunlight and well-drained soil. So these were the 20 best indoor plants that can naturally freshen your air and make your home healthier and more beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment your favorite plant. Subscribe to ARP Agri Artist. See you in the next video.